Well, frustrations are growing among city lawmakers as the city comptroller still has yet to go to the bond market to fund the capital projects.
Now lawmakers are saying an entire construction season has been lost. 2 on Your Side's Nate Benson continues to follow this story for us tonight. Nate?
Yeah, good evening, Scott and Mary Alice. The comptroller once again saying she's taking the time to review her options after a judge ruled she failed in her duties and violated the city charter. Mind you, we didn't actually talk to the comptroller on Tuesday. We sent our cameras to her office to try and talk with her, but she wasn't there on what is normally a busy weekday. By Tuesday afternoon, the comptroller issued a statement once again saying in part, "The Erie County Supreme Court has spoken and I will act in accordance with the law," while continuing to explore all lawful avenues of judicial review available to my office. Legally, the comptroller has 30 days to file an appeal, and it's beginning to look like she's going to take each one of those days.
It's very frustrating that we're at this point.
It would be irresponsible.
Much to the chagrin of lawmakers.
Inflict more costs on the city of Buffalo in delaying these projects.
I haven't seen really anything that makes sense, quite frankly, and it seems to be some arbitrary decisions. The comptroller set a cap of $28 million, but she went out and borrowed $29.5 million. So everything just seems to kind of be fly by the seat of your pants.
The comptroller maintained in her statement on Monday that she is still deeply concerned about the financial future of the city, specifically citing the dangerous precedent of ignoring the city's established capital debt management policy in appropriations of future capital budgets and the continued lack of urgency from both the administrative and legislative branches to address the city's growing financial challenges. But as Judge Koliakovo ruled on September 24th, the comptroller has no veto power over a budget, and her unwillingness to go to the bond market for the approved funds is a direct violation of the city charter. However, Scanlon and Nowakowski maintain that $82 million worth of projects that required a bond this year were completely reimbursable.
So the comptroller saying that these decisions have long-lasting impacts on the taxpayers is not accurate at all. The only additional cost is the $800,000 of the cost of issuance with the bonds, so which is in the grand scheme of things not a lot of money.
If she wants to appeal a decision that was beautifully written and pretty crystal clear, I think is just further delaying progress that Buffalonians want to see every day.
Another aspect of this story is the legal costs to fight this battle in court. We still don't know the exact cost for outside legal counsel. We've submitted several FOIL requests to try and obtain that information. On Your Side, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.